Hi friends, how are you? This is your Vasudev Rao. Many students have doubts about calculation of net present value. Net present value is one of the important method in capital budgeting. I will explain the concept with simple example. Before that, what is capital budgeting? The long-term financial investment decision is known as capital budgeting. Methods or techniques of capital budgeting. There are two methods, traditional methods and modern methods. Traditional method consists payback period and accounting rate of return. Modern method consists net present value method, internal rate of return and profitability index. I already explained this theoretical concept in the previous videos. We discussed about the techniques of capital budgeting in the previous video. In modern methods, we use discounting factors. Modern methods also known as discounted cash flow techniques. Discounted cash flow techniques are also known as present value factors. Discounting factors also known as present value factors. Here, the future value of cash flow is discounted into present. By using present value factors, the future value of expected cash flows are discounted in present. Let us calculate present value factors. Here we use the formula for PV factor. PV factor is equal 1 by 1 plus R by 100 whole square by N. Here N is equal number of years. R is equal rate of return or cost of capital rate. Let us discuss one example for calculation of PV factor. PV factor at the rate of 10% cost of capital for a period of 10 years. Here you can find years 1 to 10 years. PV factor for first year I will explain 1 by 1 plus R by 100, that is equal 1 by 10 by 100. Here our rate is 10 whole square 1, that is equal 0.909. If you use ordinary calculator, you can get direct answer 1 by 1 plus 0.1 is equal 0.909. If you press again is equal, second year answer will be displayed 0.826. If you press again is equal, third year answer will be displayed 0.751 and so on. If it is scientific calculator, you use 1 by 1 plus 0.1 is equal 0.909. For second year 0.909 into 0.909 plus is equal 0.826. For third year 0.826 into 0.909 is equal 0.751 and so on. Here you can see the PV factor for 10 years. Let us discuss about the net present value. What is net present value? Net present value refers to the excess of present value of future cash inflows over and above the cash outflows, or initial investment. We can represent in formula. Net present value is equal to present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. Selection criteria: accept the project when net present value is more than 1, or accept the project when positive NPV. Reject the project when NPV is less than 1, or reject the project when negative NPV. Let us discuss one example. From the following information, calculate NPV of the project at the rate of 10% cost of capital. Initial investment is 5 lakhs rupees. Project life is 5 years. The cash flows after taxes are given below. There are 5 years. Cash flows after taxes also given. For first year, 1 lakh rupee. CF80 for second year, 1,05,000 rupee. CF80 for third year, 1,20,000 rupee. CF80 for fourth year, 1,25,000 rupees. CF80 for fifth year, 1,75,000 rupees. With this information, we need to calculate net present value. Solution: calculation of net present value at the rate of 10% cost of capital. Here we need table with 4 columns. First column contains years. Second column consists CF80 given in question: 1 lakh, 1,05,000, 1,20,000, 1,25,000, 1,75,000. Third column, we have to calculate PV factor at the rate of 10%. We already discussed in example calculation of PV factor at the rate of 10%. Here you can see for first year 0.909, for second year 0.826, for third year 0.751, fourth year 0.683, fifth year 0.621. To get answer in fourth column, present value is equal CF80 into PV factor. For first year, 1 lakh rupee into 0.909, that is equal 90,900. Same for second year, 1,05,000 into 0.826, that is 86,730. For third year, 90,120. For fourth year, 85,375. For fifth year, 1,08,675. The total 4,61,800. We call it as present value of cash inflows. From that, deduct present value of cash outflows, that is 5 lakhs rupees initial project value. Therefore, we get net present value is equal to present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows, that is equal to minus 38,200. Unfortunately, here we get answer negative NPV. As per our selection criteria, accept the project when NPV is project positive, reject the project when NPV is negative. Here our answer is negative NPV. Decision: the NPV is negative, therefore the project should be rejected. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more updates.